Welcome to 1844 Church Street. This is a Noe Glen Park single-family house, 2 to 3 bedrooms, available for lease. There's an entry hallway, and to the left, this blue room is the living room. It's got some shutters for the nice sized windows, high ceilings, ceiling medallion, moldings. Across the way would be the first bedroom, but you really can use this any way you want. This has one window looking out onto church. And a good sized closet. Onward to the remodeled eat-in kitchen. Features a huge amount of cabinetry, some of them with the glass display doors, and you have a side-by-side stainless refrigerator, a stainless dishwasher, a full-size sink with disposal, aquamarine counters, gas range with built-in microwave. There's some track lighting, and then you have a dining area here with the light already in place. The next bedroom is a beautiful period light, and there's a window looking out onto the yard. Another good sized closet with some shelves, hanging space. Onward. Storage closet, pantry near the kitchen. A little area here that opens to the bathroom. And then a third room in the back. These look like double pane windows that look onto the yard. And you have a greenhouse window. Rear door goes to the backyard, which has a patio area here, and then a big backyard. Very quiet and verdant. As part of the house, you get the garage underneath. And in the garage you have a washer and dryer. Parking space for one car or two very small cars. There's storage shelves here. And a workroom of sorts here. And you just can't beat the street if you want a classic San Francisco neighborhood. If you're interested in leasing 1844 Church, visit BillHarkins.com or call 415-305-5311. Thank you.